Hello, welcome. And today we'll discuss about CKS more question, and it is four scenarios is already there, but we'll discuss today one, and then after tomorrow we'll cover second and third and fourth. So first we'll look this first scenario. Means what is the scenario is saying? You are working in a Kubernetes cluster used by beta team. The namespace beta is already exist. Pod name frontend is running in the beta namespace. On the control plane node, a text file, this image.txt, lists 6 container image, 1 per line. AppArmor Trivy is already installed on the control plane node and available in the path. An AppArmor profile named Secure Nginx is already loaded on the node, and what you can assume the control plane node is accessible with SSH 0. Sorry, it is a little mistake here. So kubectl is already misconfigured. So image section, image selection with the Trivy. So our first task is using Trivy scan all images listed in the beta images, identify the images that lowest number of critical vulnerability. If there is a tie, choose one with the fewer higher vulnerabilities. So if there is a tie, we'll check other one, means not critical than highest. So first there is no scenarios, so we'll create a scenarios. So first of all, I need to create a namespace. So create namespace beta. Okay, create ns beta. So namespace is created, and on the control plane a text file is there. So text file is there on the beta image.txt. So I will create a text file. So vi, then sorry, these all are the images. So beta image.txt, and there I'll paste wq. So cat images.txt, cat beta images.txt. So there are 6 images. So we'll scan one by one. So if you're not aware about the while loop, then simply you can run one by one, or you can write a simple script, so and get the output in the text, and then you can do that. But it is not here, it is not mentioned that you have to take a file that, so you can do it by your own way. So you can just Trivy scan, Trivy image severity high, like sorry, first Trivy we need to install, because Trivy is not available if we want to find out which. So nothing is showing, so you need to install Trivy first. Just copy this command, I'll share in the comment box, and just install Trivy, or you can Google it, you can chat GPT it, you will find this installation command. So now we'll control L, and now which. So Trivy is there, and we can check the version also. So Trivy version, so it's a 68.1. So you can do one by one scan images and find out the which is the lowest number of critical vulnerabilities. So if there is a tie, so what I will do, I will take all output in the text file, and then I'll grep that file. Otherwise you can run one by one and do the things. So control L. So while read img. So img is a variable, you can choose any of it, but this is doing that read line by line. So Trivy image severity capital critical second, because if tie happen, so we'll take this high also img. Will save in temp img.txt, then done. And which file I have to choose, so this is the file which I need to choose. So be aware here dot is there, I'll remove this dot. So it will run for all the file, and output will be saved in the that temp file, and then we'll grep it and we'll find which has the lowest vulnerability, or we can short with the grep. So control L, it's done. So what I will do, I will grep, or I can cat and find so there are various files 22.0 and whatever this. So instead I would have chosen that one single file. So I'll run it once again, or you can if you know the means we know, if we know the output, so we have to search in this file in this file, but if this file is available in temporary file, that would be overwritten. So instead we'll do that, will take it into one file. So simple that command, but will same thing will do, but with storing every file, will redirect it, means we'll use append operator, and will save output in a single file. Or there I can create a different directory, and we can store that also. So we'll do both way, because if the similar file would be there, then it will choose some different files. So it is now, if you find ls, so cat scan.txt, so many things, so it is showing much output. So we require only critical, so control L, grep -e image, and that critical /temp. So I want to choose this image and critical. So image is this one, first one is a critical is 26, here is a 15, here is a 3. So HTTPD, and so there is a tie between these three. So let's check this, or we can run image for this. We can run a separate scan for this. Vulnerability is 0. So here no high and no critical. So we'll check both. Just we are cross checking. So Alpine 3 at 8. So here also no, and last one which is pending is Ubuntu. So there are 3 images. So here we have identified that these 3 images are one we want. So additionally we can actually, it should be written there that transport the output in any one of the file. So we'll do it. So control L cd dot so vi image chosen image dot text. So I'll paste this. So now we have to choose only a single image. So Alpine is smallest and least attack surface. So I'll choose this Alpine image, and we'll remove this HTTP because it is not mentioned. So you can choose either of the images. WQ. So this second, third, and this fourth will do tomorrow. We'll share this link. If you want to try, then you can try by your own. So thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you.